Miss Alamama here. Yesterday, I made a focaccia bread, and oh my god, this is the third time I'm making it, and I finally got it right. So the first thing you need is patience. I'll post the ingredients on the screen. So this is a no-knead focaccia bread, meaning I'm just going to put all the ingredients together until they come together, and then cover and let them rest for about 30 minutes. What you want to make sure that your bowl is warm, so just run some hot water in it. Use warm water. It's 112 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. And then add all of the listed ingredients. I'm using bread flour here. You can use all-purpose if you have. I've tried with the all-purpose, and I think it gives me a less fluffier focaccia. So the other important thing is to use a wooden spoon given to you by your grandchildren. And now with your wooden spoon, you just want to bring everything together. You probably will need some more water because you need this dough to be very sticky, soft and sticky. And also just make sure that the water that you add is also warm. And once your dough comes together like this, you're not kneading it, you're just putting it together. You can pat some warm water on top and then generous amount of olive oil. Pat it and then cover it. And I just put it in my oven for 30 minutes. And I've already done one of the stretch and pulls. So what you're going to do is you're going to wet your hands with some warm water, pick up your dough from the bottom underneath, and stretch and pull like this. It's very satisfying, trust me. And this develops the gluten, which then goes ahead and gives you that fluffiness that focaccia bread is very famous for. And you're going to repeat this process about 3 times. And that's it for your focaccia bread prep. And now you're going to line a sheet pan with parchment paper and lots of olive oil. Depending on the size of your pan, mine is kind of small. I'm just going to use 2/3 of the dough and put it on top. I'm going to let it sit for about 5 minutes just to relax everything, and then I can stretch it all out. And it will stretch out much more easy once you've let it sit for a bit. And this is the most fun part, is handling the focaccia dough. It's so soft, it's so fluffy, it's like a cloud. And I like to put all sorts of toppings. Typically, I think you just put some rosemary, some sea salt or something like that. But I put some Italian seasonings and I topped it like a pizza. Some onions, some tomatoes, some olives. And you're going to put this in a preheated 450 degree oven for about 18 to 22 minutes. I think mine was about 24 minutes. And honestly, this is amazing. It smells good. The outside is crispy and the inside is soft and fluffy. And I made this one with a leftover one. It just has some ground beef on it. So I do hope you get to try this recipe. It's very simple, easy to make. It does require a few steps of the stretch and pull, but other than that, it's really, really simple. This tastes great with hot tea. I'm not even kidding you. Like your morning breakfast, and have that with it.